Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Jurllyshe hair. They sent me this bomb 5x5 closure wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing you everything that I did. I did end up adding in a couple blonde tracks to get the blonde streaks, so yes, y'all, stay tuned for this look.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is
this is the completed look. I definitely love this wig. Definitely love the hair on this wig. Y'all, no shedding, literally no problems. It was bone straight. It did its job. I got so many compliments on this look, y'all. Like, I definitely loved it. Definitely love working with them. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with Jurllyshe. Everything will be in the description box. Literally everything, sis. Their website, their Instagram, literally everything. As I said before, you can use my discount code to shop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. Everything will be in the description box, y'all. Until next time, go shop with them. Let them know that I did see you. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video.